welcome back to our channel COLLEGEMUNSHI.com. In the previous video, we had seen about SRM University. In this video, now we are going to check out the admission process in SRM University, Chennai. SRM University is one of the #1 university in South India. We had done a previous video in our channel about the SRM University, their branches and the facilities which they are providing for the students. If you haven't seen the video, check the link in the description. SRM University of Science and Technology is one of the top ranked private institute in India. They offer us a wide range of UG and PG courses with various disciplines and known for the world-class infrastructure, placements, recruitment and research opportunities. SRM KTR campus, which is the main campus of SRM universities. It's a large and most popular university in SRM. It is covered in 250 acres of land with a very good infrastructure with state-of-the-art facilities. They also offer us medical, engineering, management and many other courses. This is a home to SRM Medical College, Law School and Research Center. And here the BTech courses are very famous. There is a large competition for this BTech courses in this particular campus because there are many international students and many specialized courses are provided here. The other campus of SRM University is SRM Ramapuram campus, which is located in the heart of the city in the main part of the Chennai. It's an ideal for the students who prefer an urban environment. In this campus, mainly we can find many South Indians studying, and they also provide many courses in engineering, management, science and commerce courses. Not only this, they have many other courses too. They have a specialized degree for all these courses which they provide. And they have advanced digital classrooms, libraries and hostels. The other campus of SRM University is Vadapalni campus. This campus is situated in Chennai and it well connects the major areas in Chennai. And we can see many Tamil students studying in this campus. They mainly focus on engineering, management and science programs. And they are known for the strong industrial collaborations and placements. In this block, mainly we can find a lot of industrial collaborations and placements offering every year. So now we have seen about all three campuses in this video, right? So let's go for the admission process and their eligibility criteria. Admissions are taken through the SRMJEEE examination, which is an entrance examination for all the BTech students who want to study in this SRM University. And other courses are accepted based on your merit, score and many other criteria. Don't bother if you're not getting a merit seat. We are also providing your direct admission process. Okay, everything is fine. So how to get an application in SRM University? SRM University provides an online application in their official website where we can apply for all the courses which we are required for. And they also provide scholarship for all the merit students and sports achievers. They have modern labs, smart classrooms, hostels and sports clubs. And they also provide placement and internship support for all the students in their university. To get the detailed information about SRM, placements and their job requirements, you can check our previous video. If you haven't seen the video, the link is in description. So admissions are open for all the PG and UG courses in SRM. The seats are filling very fast. So if you want to take a pre-booking, just go and fill your application. If you have any other queries, please contact us.